Welcome to Bulten production facility in Hallstahammar. Here we produce approximately 290 million screws per year. And this is how it's done. Engineering. All drawings are made in 3D CAD. We also have the possibility to simulate the cold forging in a computer program called Q-Form. Tooling. These tools are assembled to complete toolkits and then transported to the machine. Every part has their own toolkit that is prepared before every production batch. Material. The operator gets the material with a truck from marked stock location and places it on the uncoiler. To minimize the waste, we weld the coils together, and the wire stretcher machine calibrates the wire to exactly the right dimensions. Cold forging. After a setup and control, the production starts. The issue with cold forging technology is that the wire will be cut up in exactly the right length and then moved with mechanical fingers between the cutting station and the forming station. The forming station is named as one place station that is called the die side and one moving station called the punch side. When the blank has passed the forming station steps, the blank is moved via a conveyor to the pointing station and then to the threading station. The thread is formed by rolling between a stationary die and one moving die. After the screw is cold forged and thread rolled, it is transported in a market bin to the next operation. Threading with washer. In some special cases, a separately threading operation must be done. Example of this is when we have demands on threading after heat treatment to get a better performance. Or when we produce screws with a captive washer. Heat treatment. When we heat treatment the screw to the right properties. After entering the screws, the process starts with the washing operation. And then we're heating the screws to 900 degrees. After warming, the screw rapidly cooled in an oil bath. Transporting to a new washing operation before tempering oven that heats up the screws to approximately 450 degrees. Cooling and further draining back into the transport container. The process is fully automated and continuously monitored. After heat treatment, we check all batches in our laboratory, including hardness and tensile tests. All values are documented in our server database. Induction hardening. Because a big range of our production range is captive Coreflex I, an extra hardening operation is required. It is performed by an induction heating of the 3 to 5 last pitches of the thread, and then it's cooled rapidly in water. Surface treatment. The screws is transported through a range of baths, for example degreasing, pickling, zinc coating and waxing. Some high-performance screw is demanding a baking operation to eliminate the risk of hydrogen embrittlement. Machine inspection. Screws that is automatic mounted, we have the possibility to inspect some different variables, as cracks, grip, length and diameters. Final inspection. Here we check a number of screws per bin, that it is the right screw, identification, and checking the number of pieces by the weight of the bin. Packing. We can pack in several ways. Our own cartons, plastic bags, plastic emballage, and direct on a pallet. All cartons is marked with the customer's part number and work order batch number. Warehouse. Between packing and delivery to the customer, we store the parts in our warehouse. We have the possibility to handle computerized delivery schedules, EDI, from our customers.